Okay, so the things you're gonna need to make these blowguns are some, regular skewers, ruler, pencil, scissors, tape, and any kind of paper works fine. Okay, so just take your paper here. You're gonna take your ruler and measure out roughly 2 inches. Doesn't have to be perfect, but just, roughly you just want it to be 2 inches. Once you do that, take your ruler, but it doesn't have to be accurate, and just cut it out. Once you have that done, you can just cut like a little semicircle in the back, just if you want to. It doesn't have to be too much. Just make sure it's not too much. Just like this, Get rid of those scraps and move the paper to the side. Now just take your paper and you'll just fold it into a cone, kind of like this. Just kind of smooth it out a bit. Roughly like this, I want to say. Yeah, this is good, I would say. Take a little tape right here, if I can get some. And then just tape it on. Just as simple as that. Once you have it taped, just take a skewer and you're simply just going to insert it like this. If you need to, you can just make a little room and, cut a little bit off right here. But if you don't need to, then you don't. And you're just going to simply insert your skewer through, push it basically all the way to the end, to the point where the cone is not, the skewer is not sticking out front from the cone. So it's not like that. You want it like this, I would say, to the point where the skewer and the cone meet. Just tape this up a little more. You can tape it as much as you want to make it as strong as you want, but I would recommend at least 3 times maybe around the skewer and the cone. You can take a little tape and on the part where the cone is folded, so for me that's right here on the inside, I'm just going to take a little tape, put it in there, stick it on like that, and then you can take your scissors, make sure you don't cut the paper cone, and cut the scissors, or cut the tape like that, so it's in 2 sections, and just fold it over so it's easier, like that. And now your cone will stay intact. And yeah, just tape it a little more if you needed. And yeah, your dart should look like this. Guns in the back. Doesn't have to be perfect. Doesn't have to be in the center. Ideally, you want it in the center. But it doesn't have to be perfect. So something like this in the back. And something like this in the front. The cone ends right here. So I would go like 1.5 inches off the cone, taping it. And yeah, the skewer's already point at the end. If you really want to, you can take your scissors and just sharpen it a little more. You don't need to, but if you really want to, you can. And yeah, there's your finished dart. I'm just going to make a few more of these and then we'll test them out. For the people who want to make blow darts with more power and efficiency, there's a video on my channel showing how to make metal blow darts that I think you'll like, so hey, go check it out. Okay, and now once you finish making all your darts, you can take your blowgun, and all you're going to do is take the end of your blowgun, and you're going to take a dart, put it in, and see if it fits. This one fits nice. You want it to be snug, not too loose, not too tight. You want it to be snug, and it shouldn't fall when you shake it. So this one is good. You take this one out. That's good. And you're just gonna check each one, and if I think this one, yeah. Okay, actually no, this one's also good. Wow. Okay, let's check this one. This one's also good. Wow. We might not have a single one that's actually bad. Okay, here. Perfect. Our last one. So, what you're gonna do, you're gonna take a pencil. You're simply gonna just mark where it's sticking out. Once you do that, simply take it out. Put your blowgun to the side. Take your scissors. You're gonna cut in and just, cut along your marked line, just like that. I'm not gonna go all the way down there. I feel like it might be good. just like that. And here's our blowgun again. See? Yeah, that's good. I would say that's good. And there you have it. You know, adjust them as needed. And yeah, that's it. Now let's test these out. Dave, oh Dave, you have definitely seen better days.